Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix photo swipe on TikTok. First of all, hold the TikTok app and click on App Info. From App Info, tap on Storage Usage. Then click to clear cache of TikTok app. After that, go back to App Info and go into Permissions. Make sure you put the camera access on Privacy. So every time you want to use a camera, it will ask for permission. Then go back to App Info and click on Manage Notification. Now, make sure you allow the TikTok to send you notifications. After that, tap to force stop the app. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.